Module 6, Reconnect with your values. Realigning your passion and purpose in meaningful work can also impact your business. It can increase revenues, engagement, and definitely increase retention. So regardless of where you are, understanding your values is a critical aspect to living a meaningful life. Each one of us have needs, motivations, and behaviors. We have a need that we've hit a tipping point and we're asking ourselves, who am I and who do I want to be? Throughout the 7-Minute Life Learning platform, we're going to give you knowledge and strategies and tools to help you create new behaviors. And the new behaviors are there to lead you on a journey to help you find meaningful work and life. We want to help you understand what your values are, what drives you, what's at the very core of who you are. And the way that we do that is through tools. As we continue to introduce tools, this is the priorities tool, where you can reconnect with your priorities, identify with what's most important to you, and know what you value most in life. You can download this worksheet and do it very neatly, where you're using the fillable form and typing in. There are no rules. You can also go through a different path and choose the things that are most meaningful to you in that way. These are my own priorities. I thought I'd share these with you so that you can have an idea of this is what brings my life meaning. Being able to help people get through the clutter and improve their mental health and well-being. Also, being with my family. So all of these things now have become the filter for who I am as a person. In addition to that, you can also prioritize your mission as a company. You can see the things that we value, and so by giving you these tools to create priorities for yourselves personally and also priorities for your work, this is that foothold that will lead you down creating a life with meaning.